Hello guys, once again you are welcome to my channel, and it's good to have you here again. And in today's video we are going to learn something very important and very necessary, which I think many people don't really know about. So today's video is going to be about camera settings. So we are going to learn how to set your camera and remove it from the default settings and make it a better setting. So what we have to do first of all is that you have to open the camera, the settings app on your phone. Go to settings, and when you come to settings you scroll down and until you see the camera icon, and you click on the camera over here. Then you see this display will come over here. So you see formats here, you click on formats, and over here you see high efficiency, then you will see most compatible. So you let it be on most compatible. Alright, so this is for the camera settings to give you clear and very nice pictures. Yes, so sometimes in default it's set at high efficiency, but you move it to most compatible. Then you come over here. Now you want to set the video to 4K to get a 4K shot kind of video. So what you have to do is that you click on record video over here. So at default it's set at 7, sometimes 720 HD, sometimes 1080 HD, and at default it can be set at 1080 or 720. But what you have to do is that you bring it to 4K over here, and when you are shooting your videos you get very clear videos, And also the second thing is that you see sometimes when you are recording slow motion videos, you realize that it's a bit glare, the video is a bit glare. So what you have to do is that you come over here, click on slow-mo video, and bring it to 1080 HD. At default it's set at 720 HD, but you bring it to 1080 HD over here, and you will be able to get correct video quality. And you can also switch this toggle over here to video format control. Yes, and once you are done with this, your camera from pictures to videos, you are going to get the amazing and stunning outlook and outcome of whatever you are shooting on your phone. So if this video was helpful, I want you to kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. So in my next video I'm going to be showing us how to edit pictures, how to simply edit pictures in 1 minute, in 1 to 2 minutes. You edit pictures that you take on your iPhone. Yes, thank you very much for sticking with me to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye. The Grace Newton. Awesome.